your Nintendo Switch is stuck on the loading screen, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Power cycle the console. Turn off your Nintendo Switch by holding down the power button for about 12 seconds until it completely shuts down. Wait a few moments, then press the power button again to turn it back on. Step 2. Check for software updates. Once the console is powered on, navigate to the system settings from the home screen. Scroll down to System and select System Update to check if there are any available updates that need to be installed. Step 3. Remove and reinsert the game card. If the issue occurs while trying to load a specific game, remove the game card from the console. Inspect it for any dirt or damage, then reinsert it carefully and try launching the game again. Step 4. Reset the console. If the previous steps did not resolve the issue, you can perform a factory reset. Go to System Settings, select System, then Formatting Options, and choose Initialize Console. Note that this will erase all data, so back up any important information if possible. Step 5. Contact Nintendo Support. If your Switch is still stuck on a loading screen after trying all the above steps, it may be time to reach out to Nintendo Support for further assistance or repair options. By following these steps, you should be able to address the loading screen issue on your Nintendo Switch. If problems persist, professional help may be necessary.